Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the bottom to find either passwords and accounts or Google. It's up to you. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. So maybe let's add another one. So we will start with adding operation. So I can at the same time show you that you can have more than one or two different Google accounts. After tapping on it, simply pick Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. As you can see, you'll have to verify that it is you by entering the log screen. You can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in the step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove the Google accounts whenever you want to. Just tap on the Google account and tap on remove. Tap on remove. And let me remove this one to show you again. Okay, as you can see, sometimes we will have to again confirm it with our lock screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.